Trust me, you're gonna want to see this one. Let's go.
Yeah.
The what? The Roku Unlimited Movies. I'm gonna show you guys. You have to do nothing really. So simple. Before we start, welcome. I'm Touchtone from Touchtone App and Tech Trends, bringing you guys the latest video. If you're new, would you please consider to subscribe and hit the little bell to keep alert of all my videos. Don't forget, we're giving away $1,000. We're giving away a 10-inch tablet. We're giving away headphones. We're giving away the TiVo Stream 4K. What you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, like, and comment on this video. That's what you're eligible to win. In the next few days, we'll give away $1,000. The products are in the United States only, but the $1,000 is worldwide. So what you gotta do is, you know what you gotta do. All right, enough of this. What we're talking about, this, the Roku. We're gonna show you guys how to put movies on the Roku. A lot of you guys have been asking me, hey, what happened to Roku Thursday? We still have Roku Thursdays. Today, I had to just do this video because I haven't done a Roku video in about, what, 2 weeks? So I know you guys have been hyped up and you guys have been ready for that and you guys have been wanting that. So I'm gonna show you guys, it's really simple. You're probably gonna be mad at the end of the video how simple it is. But listen, did you know about it? Most likely you didn't know about it. So that's why we're here. We're here to enhance your Roku. Tips and tricks and hacks. The next question is, can you do it on the Roku 4, Roku 3, Roku Ultra, the Roku Stick? You're gonna be able to do this on any of the Rokus. It's really simple. Everything we do here is what? Easy peasy. It's not complicated at all because we always bring you guys fire. We always bring you guys the latest videos, the latest trends, the latest everything. Let me show you what I'm talking about with the Roku and the Roku movies. All right, so now we're gonna get into the Roku. Very simple. We're gonna click on home. Okay, so there are many apps. A lot of you guys know that you have to actually go to the Roku and install it. Okay, a lot of you see the Smartest IPTV player. That player you can add actually to your Roku as well and use live IPTV. That's totally up to you. This video is basically just on what? On the Roku movies. Free Roku movies. You don't have to pay a dime for this. On the right side, you see your movies and all that. Right here, up in your left, you see all these features, okay? Now, you have your featured free movies, latest news, my feed, movie store, TV store, search, streaming channels, okay? If you go down to featured free, this is what comes out. So now if you go to your apps, check this out. You go to Roku channel, you click on the Roku channel, press OK. It's gonna load up. Give it some time to load because it's gonna enter all the new content that it has that has been updated at all. So it's gonna take a minute. Okay, so you see TV shows like Growing Pains, you see Alex Cross, but you're gonna go down and you're gonna see movies. Look, let's go down and click on Clash of the Titans, okay? So we're gonna click on Clash of the Titans. We're gonna press OK. It's gonna load up. Yes, they're not latest movies, but they're older movies, but they're great and free movies, okay? I already started watching that. Click on play from the beginning. It's free. Just like that, you can forward it so you can see it's the full movie. I'm gonna go through the whole thing just so you can kind of see. 1 hour and 40 minutes so you know it's the actual movie. And certain TV shows, you can get them free on your Roku. This is one way of maximizing your Roku. Now I'm gonna give you a quick glance of a paid IPTV service if you wanted to add it on your Roku. You can do that as well. You go to Live TV, for example, load up your categories, load up if everything's new. This is a simple side load. I'm gonna put the information, how to side load in the bottom. All you gotta do is click on the link, it'll take you to your Roku.com account, and then you just add it. You have to go to the website in the description below. If you want their service, get their service, and then you're able to add it on here. Once it loads it up, you go to HSC, you go to Animal Planet, just to show you how awesome it is, guys, okay? Now that you've seen that, how simple was that? So simple, you didn't have to do anything, guys. But a lot of you guys didn't know that. I'm here to educate you guys on the Roku. A lot of you guys telling me, hey, what would you consider? Would you consider a Roku or Fire Stick? Which you prefer, actually? I prefer, it depends. If you're watching IPTV, you saw there really quick. I did a quick little glance. I prefer the Roku. Now, if you're gonna do apps, movies, everything in one, then I would prefer a TiVo or a Fire Stick or an Android device, okay? Or your actual smart TV, okay? If you're interested in the IPTV service that's there, I'm gonna put the information in the description below. Click on it. You can go check it out, buy it. It's up to you. This video is for educational purposes only. You know how we do here, guys. I appreciate you guys like always. Peace and grace, and catch the new tech wave.